Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Tableau on a Windows operating system. So for that, first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Tableau download. Hit enter. So just simply go to the official site of tableau.com. Here first you need to sign in. So you need to put your first name, last name, your email ID and country. So fill all these details. Check this I agree and click on download for free. And there it is, rightly started downloading. So let's wait for a few minutes to get it downloaded, and you can see that it is rightly downloaded. So just simply click on this Tableau desktop installer. You can minimize your browser. Here is our Tableau installation wizard. Welcome to Tableau. You need to read these terms and conditions and then you need to check this. You can also check this don't send product users data, just in case you want some privacy. It's totally your wish. And after that you need to click on install. That's going to ask you for administrative privileges. Click on yes, and our installation for Tableau is rightly begun. And there you go. You can see that our Tableau is now rightly installed. Desktop shortcut also created over here, and it has also rightly started opening our Tableau desktop, and it has rightly opened. So that's how you install latest version of Tableau. Please do subscribe our channel Geeky Script and join our community. That's going to really motivate me to make more this similar kind of videos.